This is the building we will transfer. Okay.
So ibig sabihin, ito unang building?
Deliver, but is close.
Kung baka pwedeng ano yan, kainan dito. Maglagay ka ng kainan.
Dito kwarto. Parang sala-sala dito.
Inside, see?
Sarado.
Empty.
Sarado?
Deliver, open the door. Our new
Open the door.
room. This is the room. Ano may CR din doon? Wala. Sa labas ng CR.
Parang ginagawa pa na. Elevator. May elevator. May elevator kaya?
Check the
May elevator.
Oh, yan. Elevator.
May elevator.
Check the
Hindi, you cannot see.
Okay, siya lang.
Camera.
May elevator.
So this is
Ano yan?
clean.
Mayroon elevator.
Clean already.
Kasi third floor tayo, may third floor.
And we have Bacala. Bacala. In the front is Bacala. Oh my god, very far. Only one. With
Pagpagod ka
elevator
sa biyahe,
inside.
pwedeng
Relax here outside. No, it's ready.
pwedeng
Transfer. Water supply, Bacala in front. It's good. But for
Hindi pa nga dito sa labas.
this the area.
May elevator sa...
Oh, may
May elevator pa.
roasted oh. Sandwich.
Ayun no, may bakala rin dito.
Oh, may Bacala rin. Bacala ba yan? Bacala.
Wala pa yung bakala.